So we are taught that all debt is bad debt. It's what this guy right here would teach you. Now, I can't say that all debt is good debt. There is a difference, though. There's a difference in good debt and bad debt. I myself was in bad debt for a long time because I bought things that I didn't need, but it made me look good. Made me feel good. I buy it, buy a better truck or newer clothes or going to a concert and getting the VIP treatment because I work hard, I deserve it. That's bad debt because that's what I had to do to be able to enjoy those things. I had to put myself into debt. Oh, I'll eventually catch up to that when I get that raise. That's what I told myself. However, this guy, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, will tell you there's a difference in good debt and bad debt. What's the difference? Bad debt is consumer debt. What does that look like? Like I mentioned, buying vehicles, going to parties, going to concerts you can't afford, going to buy shoes or going out to eat every week, things you can't afford. That is bad debt. That's consumer debt. That pays you nothing. That money, once it leaves your account, it's gone. Now, what is good debt? Good debt is being able to leverage other people's money, OPM, to be able to buy assets. What's an asset? Well, an asset is something like real estate. That's what I do. I buy real estate myself. And, buying other businesses, that's an asset. Buying things that pay you. Now, if you leverage debt that way, then that's good debt because you're getting something for your efforts. You're getting something for the work that you've already put in. You put that in on the front end, you get paid on the back end. That is good debt. That's leveraging other people's money. Now that you know the difference between good debt and bad debt, let me share with you a little bit on how to leverage that or what that looks like. Now, I was trying to figure that out myself of, okay, I know good debt, I know bad debt. The true answer is no. You create your own business, whether that is a product that you have created or want to create, whether that be whether that be whether that's going into real estate and buying properties and going that route, whether that's going into buying other businesses, which is a whole other venture. There's so many ways you could do it, but creating a business is what's going to bring you that wealth instead of letting your money sit there. You're going to be able to leverage other people's money to benefit your business, which is going to build your wealth. I know it's a crazy concept because we're not taught this in schools. Now, that being said, if you made it this far in the video, I want you to go subscribe, like, and share this video with someone else that is going to benefit from that. I would really appreciate that. It is going to help the algorithm put me out there a little bit more so that I can help educate you as well as others. And as well, definitely comment below what you think of this video, whether it be now or toward the end. So, that being said, now, when I thought about creating a business, I'm like, okay, that's a great concept, but what site do I go through to actually establish my business? Do I go and pay $5 a month? Do I pay this amount? Do I try to figure it all myself? I don't know. I need a company that knows this for me because I don't have time. I know what I want to do. I know my business, but I don't know how to get started. So, that being said, I partnered with a company called TrueFinco. TrueFinco helped me set up my LLC, handle all the documents, all the legal stuff, focus on my business and how to run that. Not only did they set that up, when I scheduled a call with them for funding, they were also able to help me get funding for my business. That that loan, that business credit goes on my business, not my personal credit. It does not affect my personal credit. That's how you get started. So, that being said, I'll leave a link for TrueFinco down below. Definitely go give them a call. You can see if you even pre-qualify for them, or if you're saying, my credit's pretty good, I want to give this a shot. I myself was blown away about the process and how professional and how on top of their game they were. I am happy to have partnered with them, and I wouldn't share them with you if I wasn't totally confident that they can help you as well. Now, that being said, that's not for everyone. I understand it. We all have struggles, we all have issues. If you're not truly dedicated to building wealth, to building something much greater than yourself, this ain't for you. I'm sorry you've watched this far, and I'm sorry that, I've wasted your time. But if this is something you truly want to do, definitely go check them out below, okay? Whether it be, again, the pre-qualification, which doesn't affect your credit, doesn't hurt anything. It just lets you know whether you're pre-qualified for funding or whether they can help you. If you say, oh, well, I think I'm in pretty good standings based on their standards, okay, go ahead and set up that funding call and see how it goes. Let me tell you, I already read all the books. I went through all the craziness so that you don't have to. That is what I'm here to do. I just wish I'd had someone like myself to be able to share the true honesty with you when it comes to wealth building, and being able to change your mindset for the better. Things that we're not taught in school.